2026, February. This is crazy. Yes, I'm out. I just gotta see if any stores are open. They're not that far from me, so I just gotta see. But I tell you, it is already covered, and I'm moving fast. I'm with somebody else, and this is what we're doing right now. I just gotta see. What time is it now? I'm gonna say almost 8 o'clock. But it is beautiful though. I don't think I'm gonna see any rats today. Well, it's not even that cold, but it is what it is. I just gotta see if the store's open. Like crazy. Had sad news yesterday, but this is what it is. I'm still here, and this is just crazy. I'm not gonna wrap the scarf around my head because then I won't be able to see. But this is what I gotta do right now. So here I am again. Oh man. Nope, I'm not in my neighborhood, but I'm still in the neighborhood. Still in my area. Almost kinda. I just gotta see if this is a sample of what's to come. I gotta hurry up and get back in the house. Oh my goodness. This is something else. Where
Store is open.
uh-oh. Newsflash. A store is open. And maybe it just looks that way from where I am, but I gotta go see. Look at all the snow.
It is open.
Beautiful sight. Beautiful. I have just about everything I need inside. So not looking for anything. But the sooner I get back in, the sooner it will be. Wow. But it's not like the other one. At least not yet. Because the last one, it was daytime and it was whipping you all in the face. I don't know if I'm coming out tomorrow morning. I doubt it. Doubt it. But right now, since everything is still kind of new, but it's only going to get worse. But we're prepared. Native New Yorkers, this is how it is. Ooh, something got in my eye. Peace out.